Aruba. Angola was part of a dance troupe growing up and started working as a choreographer when she turned 60. She left Argentina.
Like to help children with learning disabilities. She collects tea from every place she visits and plans to pick some up right here in Las Vegas. Let's hear it for Argentina.
Aruba. Aruba is very comfortable on stage thanks to years of being a dancer. She currently owns a dance business teaching choreographed routines to girls aged 5 through 27. Please welcome Aruba. Australia.
Australia graduated college with an honors degree in psychology. This 21-year-old successful model entered the Miss Universe.
She was 8. Austria's family fled a civil war in Dagestan to start a new life. This 20-year-old loves to travel and has already visited 15 countries this year alone.